A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for baby. B is for baby. C is for crocodile. C is for crocodile. D is for duck. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fan. F is for fan. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for hut. H is for hut. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. J is for jug. K is for kitten. K is for kitten. L is for log. L is for log. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for needle. N is for needle. O is for onion. O is for onion. P is for peas. P is for peas. Q is for Quran. Q is for Quran. R is for rice. R is for rice. S is for samosa. S is for samosa. T is for tractor. T is for tractor. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. W is for wood. W is for wood. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for young. Y is for young. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Dear friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.